Hello guys, what if Donald Duck sang your favorite pop songs? Today I'll show you how to create hilarious and surprisingly accurate Donald Duck AI covers using Jammable in 1 minute. Whether you're a Disney fan or just love AI voice tricks, this tutorial is for you. Let's make some quacktastic music. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Part 1. What is Jammable? Jammable is an online AI music cover generator that lets you clone thousands of character voices and apply them to any song in seconds. Jammable allows users to create custom voices and unique song styles with ease. With advanced tech, anyone can make high-quality AI covers in just a few clicks. It's perfect for content creators, meme lovers, and musicians alike.
I don't even wanna go out tomorrow if you won't be there for the ride. 'Cause it's been so many days I've been missing you.
Part 2. How to use Jammable to create Donald Duck AI covers. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Go to Jammable and sign up for an account. Search for Donald Duck in the voice library and select the first model. Let's preview the voice first.
To fill your heart with much delight, won't you come on down? Forget about your past, you can't take my hand.
Step 2. Click Create to get started. Upload your vocal track. Then add a preset, adjust pitch shift and vocal volume.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gonna do is just meet me at the
Step 3. Click Start Cover. Your Donald Duck AI song cover will be ready in seconds.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just make me and do
Wonderful! Now unlock the file to download it or share it with your friends or family. Part 3. Useful tips for creating the best Donald Duck AI covers. 1. Choose the right song. Donald works best on energetic or comedic tracks. Try pop, rap, or meme songs for hilarious results. 2. Use clean vocals. The cleaner your original vocals, the better Jammable can resynthesize them into Donald's voice. 3. Play with the pitch settings. Donald's voice is naturally high. Adjust the pitch up by 3 to 5 semitones for better accuracy. 4. Combine characters for duets. Want a banger? Make Donald duet with Goofy, SpongeBob, or even Darth Vader. You can mix voice models right inside Jammable. That's it, a Donald Duck cover song made with pure AI magic using Jammable. Give it a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.